Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to follow companies on Glassdoor. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, then go to your profile, which is at the fourth option at the top of the screen, then click on the companies. So you can follow and add your favorite companies. You can search for them by name if you click on that magnifier, but you can scroll down and you can see some suggested companies, and if you click on the follow, then you will be able to see job offers from these companies. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.